All right, people. They got him. They got him. Welcome, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. I know it's been a minute. Um, been very, very, very busy, but you'll know eventually what's going on. But welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there for brand new. We're getting to 1,000 subscribers, so please drop a like, spread the news to the world, and yeah, subscribe. They got him. They got him. No, I was one who rated Ten Hag when he just started. He had a very brilliant stint at Ajax, and I thought, hey, this man has the discipline and the know-how to come and fix the broken, what was and still is broken Manchester United fan. But the players that Ole Gunnar Solskjaer had, that Ralph Ragnick had, that all the previous managers had, Moyes, Mourinho, the other man from Dutch where Amos did the other day. These coaches has ideas and how they want to coach, but the players that Manchester United had since Alex Ferguson left has just been, well, how can I say this? Shit. Simple. No, don't get me wrong. Alex Ferguson was a genius. Alex Ferguson and Darren Gibson looked like a serial baller when the man played for Manchester United, right? He had Tom Cleverley, yeah? The man had some basic footballers playing like genius because of Alex Ferguson's tactics. Yes, he wasn't good in Europe, fine, but he was great when it comes to the Premier League. After that, the first thing Alex Ferguson did was bring in Moyes into the team, and Moyes was shit, and the players was even more shit, and he showed you that. Now, fast forward to the day, and today when we get me this morning we wake up, I never watched nothing Manchester United going to work. I never want to have nothing to do with Manchester United, all because of how the players have been playing for the past past years. Yeah. But yesterday just bring me to a point where I'm not going to watch bombard Manchester United at all. I'm just put up a video upon the YouTube and the TikTok say, yo, these players cannot be coached. And for a fact, they cannot be coached, blood. They cannot be coached. The chances that Alejandro Garnacho had yesterday, how can you say the manager is not managing the team when those chances were just there for you to take, fam? Diego Dalot, that pass on Bruno Fernandes over the top to Diego Dalot. The hardest thing Diego Dalot had to do was get around the keeper, and he did. How the fuck he missed that? God alone can tell. I wasn't watching the game. I saw I came on halftime because I was playing football yesterday morning. I'm come start end the game at halftime. I'm look on Twitter. I'm see Diego Dalot run around the keeper nice and neat and boot the bumbucker ball nice hands. I say, what the fuck, bro? You can't coach those kind of things, bro. You cannot coach those kind of things. Them things come naturally, and they don't have natural talent at the moment, fam. Garnacho, him levels the down the so on my ankle. I'm not gonna further. Him not going any bumbo clot further, bro. Him not going any further, bro. I rather keep on Rashford. At least him can give you one moment here or there. The coach has left the building. The coach has left the building. They say Vanessa will be running the team for the next 2 games until they bring in Rubin Amorim. That's what they saying. That's what all like big boss people are saying. That's from Romano to all the big bombardment. I'm saying that it's Amorim's going to take over. However, Ruben Amorim, we know you as a serial winner. You winner 2 seasons running in Portugal. You start off well this season as well. You're playing well in the Champions League. Fam, I'm going to tell you this. I'm going to be very bold with you. These man will fire you. These players will fucking fire you, fam. because it's not just that they can't play, it's that they can't play with the pressure that's behind them. Alex Ferguson used to suck up all of the pressure them. Yeah. Alex Ferguson used to tell the media people what he's going to do in the media. Right? Before the press conference even started, he said, listen, we have 4 injuries, 5 injuries, 6 injuries, them good, them coming back next week. What's your questions? And they intimidated that man. So that man was so intimidating that they couldn't ask him a single question. You have to come with that aura. You definitely have to come with that aura, because I promise you, the English media will drink you up. Remember, this is not Man City, This is not us. This is not Arsenal. This is not Liverpool. This is not Chelsea. This is Manchester United, the biggest fan base in England, which means that they will want to write stories about you every day, good, bad, and indifferent. You know why? Because that's how they get their clicks. So Rubin Amorim, you need to shape it up, fam. You need to come with that aura. Now, you can say that Ten Hag didn't have a lot of aura. He didn't speak much English, or wasn't, talking to them as much, I guess. You need to come with that aura. They need to like you. Just like all them love Onslaught. Just like all them love the Chelsea coach. They need to love you, fam. Because it looks like your first game will be against Chelsea next week. Maybe not, depending on how quick them take it in. But bro, you need to get to the game fast. You need to get with it fast, as quick as you possibly can, because these coaches will rip you to shreds, blood. Because that's all they care about. That's all they fucking care about, fam. Making money. And that's having Manchester United in the front line. Now, with regards to Manchester United's previous game, that game against West Ham, these referees. I've been telling you guys since day one. VAR has been the downfall of football when it comes to English football. You know why? VAR only cares about VAR. If the coach if the ref make a bad decision, VAR will not come back and turn it back. VAR called the referee yesterday to check for a penalty when there was no fucking penalty. Why? Listen, me, man. Listen me good. VAR and the referee combine together. Just like how you don't see the line in Italy when them have a offside, you see a line pull up and say I'm offside. They don't have that in the Premier League. You know why? Because they have VAR to tell you whether they're offside or not. So one man they not excuse and say, look for me fantasy football. I mean, I think more Arsenal when I game I can have a couple ball. I mean, just get him a free kick goal. A free goal. That's all. Listen, me. People, make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe. Right down there, say for brand new. Rubin Amorim. It looks like you're going to be the next manager at Manchester United. I will support you 100%, but just look out for the media post today. Look out for them. Bless up yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.